Welcome to Duke Signature. Today I'm going to teach you how to prepare the side pocket, the front side pocket of a trouser, the front side pocket of a trouser. Okay, this is the wrong side, this is the wrong side of the fabric. I open, this is the right side. Now this is the two piece, the front piece, this is the two piece, this is the wrong side, this is the wrong side of the other piece, and you can see the right side is facing the right side. Okay, so this is the wrong side and this is the wrong side. And so what we need to do is, this person has a waist of 41, waist 41, and so for waist 41 we are going to use 7.5 inch, 7.5 inch, 7.5 inch, and then 7.5 inch by 2.5, 7.5 inch by 2.5, as you can see here, right? 7.5 inch by 2.5. So I'm going, all I just need to do is we'll make use of our interface. This is a gum stay. Okay, a gum stay. What we need to do is, all right, like I said, we make use of our gum stay. Now you place the gum stay slant, you slant it this way, right? So just watch me as I place the gum stay there. Then all you need to do is, you place the gum inside to face the fabric, and so you take your iron, take your pressing iron, and you make sure you iron it. Okay, all right, like I said, just place your iron and you iron it on this side. Okay, and so you chop this extra out of it, chop it off. Don't forget the notch you placed. Okay, you notch it, this is the 7.5. Okay, while you notch the 2.5, just notch it a bit, and then the other front side, look at it, please do not remove it. Okay, do not remove it. You can see me, it's still intact. All I just did, I turn it to the other side. When you turn it to the other side, to face the opposite side, so all you just need to do, you do the same thing that you did to the other side is what you do to it. Just cross it this way, and then take your iron and iron it. All right, so you take off the extra out of it, and don't forget the notch. Don't forget the notch. You notch. Okay, and then this is your notch. And so the next thing to do, is, all you just need to do is this. You can see, just pull it. Are you seeing? This is the right side, this is the right side, and so this is where you notch, this is where you notch, and then you slant it, as you can see. Now take your iron, and then iron it, then use your pressing wood to smoothen it. Now your pressing wood is to make it smooth, okay, and to make it lie properly. As you can see, look at it, it's lying down properly. Okay, you can see you have a smooth one here. All right, then you turn it to the other side, and you do the same thing. You slide it following the notch. We notched here, as you can see. Look at the notch. Okay, and so you follow the notch, and also the notch here, you follow it down. Okay, I believe you can see this, and then you iron. Now ordinarily, let me explain why we use the pressing wood. Ordinarily, when you iron it this way, look at it, it will not, are you seeing this puffing out a bit? All right, now let me make use of the pressing wood. Now after ironing, I put the pressing wood, and you see the difference. The bulging part is no longer there. That's why there's need for you to have a pressing wood. Now you can see the surface of my pressing wood is smooth. Okay, now, well, this is just a bonus. This is the zip side, of the front piece. All you just need to do, you can just cut a gum stay. The width is just maybe 1/4 or half of an inch, and you place it here and iron. Okay, it's, since you are joining almost two fabric together, it is good you put an interface. Okay, and then to the other side, you can see you also, okay, the interface will help that part after sewing it to be smooth. Okay, it doesn't have to be rough. That's the need for the interface. All right, don't forget to share this video with your friends on social media, and if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, if you are new, please don't forget to click on like and subscribe. Click on subscribe, like, and share my video. Drop your question at the comment section, so you can see it's now very smooth and good to go. Okay, so all I just need to do is to take it to sew. I've prepared it for sewing. Right, if you want me to teach you how to sew the front pocket of your front trouser, please just drop it at the comment section. Okay, drop it at the comment section, and just drop your thoughts on the comment section. I will attend to it. I will put a video on how to sew the front side of your pocket neatly. All right, see you in our next video. Bye bye.